Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jonmarie. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more hair videos. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy right now. I have been learning a lot of new things in this quarantine, and one of them is styling my hair. I have been wanting to be able to style my hair in really cute ways for a long time, so I have been practicing and I wanted to share a couple of them with you. Use these as inspo. These aren't all going to be perfect. I'm not a hairstylist. I am just learning to do these for myself. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what your favorite hairstyle is, or if there's one that you think I should try out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.